Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. So I am back to do a makeup tutorial. Today I received my exfoliating mask, so I thought, well, I'd try it out, and I put it on, left it for, it says between 5 and 7 minutes. Then you just wash it and rub it in and wash it off. Now, I'm usually quite dubious when using clay masks because I do suffer from dry skin. So I was a bit dubious, but I will tell you now that I didn't have to scrub it off. You know, like sometimes when you put on clay masks, you really have to really scrub them off and they make your skin feel a bit dry. This did not, honest to goodness. My face now feels really soft and cleansed, and I've moisturized now, and it feels so soft. So I'm going to put on some of my eye cream. This stuff is amazing, let me tell you. And I just dab it around my eyes, on the bottom. Now, I do suffer from these dark circles and also some bags and wrinkles. You know, it's my age, but since I have been using Younique's products, I have noticed, you know, quite a big difference in a short space of time. Actually, my eyes are not so puffy. I mean, yes, if I have a bad night's sleep, then it can sometimes be worse. I still get my dark circles, but I don't think they're half as bad as they used to be. And I've also been using that uplift oil, our uplift oil as well, which is just amazing too. I won't use this today because I've done my mask and I've moisturized and I've done my eye cream, so I won't use this today. But this is also very good. When I first before I started using Younique's products, I will hold my hands up, I didn't take care of my skin the best that I could. I really didn't. Life was just too busy. I cleansed and I used whatever I had, you know. So I didn't put an awful lot of effort, and yes, I'm paying the price now. You'll notice with my wrinkly old eyes. But ever since using Younique's products, I have noticed a really big difference. I mean, I had really dry skin, and I've been using their uplift oil, and it is just my skin now. I used to have all dry bits here and here, you know, my T-zone. Now I don't. So I would highly recommend this and the eye cream for sure. These two products I use near enough every day. Well, the oil I use every other day and the eye cream I use every day. So just fantastic. Okay, so we're going to prime first. So we're going to use our my primer, and so I'm just going to put some on my hand, and we should really leave this to you know, sit and do its magic for a few minutes really, because this will, especially if you have open pores, you know, like here when I used to put my foundation on, you could see these little pore marks here, and I found since using their mattifying primer, it's not as bad as it usually is. Oh my gosh, honestly, I am just hooked on Younique. I really am. I mean, you know, those of you that know me will know that I do not advocate anything that I do not use myself or you know, highly recommend. Right, so that's our primer on, and really we should leave that for a few minutes to sit, but as I'm doing a video I won't. Do you like my ears, by the way? I've got this in several colors. So what we're going to do is we are going to use the aerosol, the spray, our spray foundation, and I'm using them as a different color. I'm in between colors at the moment, so I'm having to sort of go a little bit darker than what I normally would. So I'm using Tulle tool, and kabuki brush. I have never used a kabuki brush before. This is my best friend. I love you. This honestly is my best friend. OMG, if there's one tool that I absolutely love in my arsenal of unique products, kabuki brush. It is just amazing. I've never used an aerosol foundation before this one. I mean, I've used this, but I've never used one before. You just spray on 3 or 4 sprays, and we're just going to, I do need my other mirror actually, and I've just realised, oh, it is here, it's on my desk. And the kabuki brush just puts on your foundation and gives you such wonderful coverage, you know, from just a few little sprays. It is just remarkable. I love it, love it, love it. I'm just going to give it another little spray because I need this to my forehead. I'm just going to, I do need my other mirror though, so I can see exactly what I'm doing. But as you can see, the coverage is just amazing. I mean, yes, I'm going to come in with some concealer in a minute to work on my trouble areas. Let me just move those there so I can see in the mirror, especially when I'm doing my mascara, because I won't know what I'm doing otherwise. So let me just... But as you can see already, it's just a huge improvement. And you can go in and do another coat if you would like, you know, a little bit more coverage. But I'm only going to Asda, so I'm not going to go mad today. I'm using, if I can find it, wrong one. Where is my concealer gone? Right, so yes, right. And I'm also using the Skin Solution Concealer, the liquid concealer, and I'm just going to dab a little bit on under my eyes just to cover up these spots here. And I do have some broken veins here, which I always just dab a little bit on just there, just to cover over those broken veins. And I always find whenever you've used a lovely a face mask, your makeup just goes on so well. Now I always use my finger to put on my concealer and just dab it around my eyes, eye area, pat it around. The key is to not use too much, because especially if you are a mature lady, we do get our little wrinkles here, and I do find that if you put too much on, then they are more visible. Okay, so you can always find that if you need a little bit more, you can just touch that up. This eye is particularly bad at the moment, I don't know why. So that's my concealer, and then I'm going to come in with our setting powder and just set this. Now, key is to not brush, but just tap this on. And then just set that in place, like so. That's it. Now, because I am only going to Asda, I'm not going to go too mad. Now, I'm not very good at doing eye makeup, trust me. This is probably one of the best eyeshadows I've ever found. Now, I've used liquid eyeshadow before, and it creased and didn't stay on, felt like wet all the time. Our liquid eyeshadow, and this is in Reverent, is just phenomenal. Now, if you spend I think £98 or £99 this month, you will receive one of our Epic Twisted mascaras and one of these for free, and this is just amazing. Now, you literally just put, I just literally put it across my eyelid like so, and like so. And you can do one of two things. You can either just leave it to dry like that, or you can come in with your blender brush and just give it a quick little blend in here and just bring it over your eyelid. And I just literally, if I'm, you know, not wanting to do an awful lot, I'm just going to do that. Today I'm not going to worry too much about doing too much eye makeup, because I'm literally going to Asda. This is a quick makeup today. I'm going to be using our Epic Twisted mascara. It is just phenomenal. It has 2 wands, and if you spend £59 this month, you will get this for free. It has a little micro wand, and then it has a regular size wand as well in here, and I just love this. And especially, I have terrible pants eyelashes, I really do, and you'll see my eyelashes as they are now, and then it's going to come in, and this will get all of the little fine lashes that, you know, sometimes are missed. I'm just going to come in here, give it a wiggle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one eye and not the other one to start with, just so that you can see. And I've got a little blob right there. That's okay, we can get that. What I will do, I'm going to obviously got a wet bit there. I'll wait for that to dry and then we can get that off. So you just want to go to the base of your lashes. Now look at that, isn't that just, now honestly, I didn't realise I had such lashes. Look at that. That's just like crazy, right? And then we can come in with the other wand if you want to, and just give them another coat. And you'll see that, look at the difference. That's just crazy, right? I mean, this is just an amazing, amazing mascara, and I do need to sort out that. I have a wet bit there, right. And then I'm going to do the same with the other eye. So we're just going to come in I love their mascaras, honestly. I just realised I have not done any eyeliner at all. I was just and you'll see that it's so easy just to put this mascara on. It's not other mascaras in the past. I've had to use like 10 coats just to I haven't actually put any eyeliner on, which I was wanting to actually. So I'm literally, because I'm doing very quick today, I'm just going to come in and do a little bit of eyeliner just on the last third of my eye, just to bring them out just a little bit more. And that's it. That's all I'm doing today, apart from my mascara, as it's shopping day, so we're not really doing much. As you can see, that's my eye. So all that's left is a little bit of lippy today, and I'm going to be using another item, which is a free item. If you spend £138, you'll receive an Epic Twisted mascara, one of our liquid eyeshadows, and also, if I can remember where to put it, excuse me a minute, you will also receive one of our Splash liquid lipsticks, and this is, oh, I love this too. Now this kind of gives a matte look without a matte feel. Got a little bit too much on my brush, I think. And this really goes on silky, silky smooth. Oh, just love. Now I love this colour, and I love the feel of it. So that is a very quick makeup tutorial. Look at the eyeshadow. I am loving it. So if you like any of the products that you see, and you would like to find out about the free products that we have on offer this month, or our beauty box, I will be doing a launch of my Chanel's Classy Cosmetics on Wednesday. If you would like me to add you to our group, then just comment add below. If you would like more information on the products, just please send me a message and I will get back to you. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Take care. Bye bye.